And in closing, I will just, encourage, the next generation, this generation, my generation, and the generation behind me. If you are fortunate, lucky enough to still have your parents or your grandparents alive, go to them. Ask them about our tradition, our practices, our beliefs, our superstition. You know, take advantage of having them with you right now and listen to the stories and the tales that they have to tell you. Because when I tell you, our Garifuna beliefs, practices, our story is absolutely fascinating. So do yourself a favor, sit down and talk to one of your elders. Learn more about yourself, okay? Take care, Ayo.
Subscribe, like, and share. Suscríbete, dale like y comparte. Donate to this project by scanning this code from Cash App. Also, if you don't have Cash App, we take PayPal. We also have a learning tool called the Garifuna Language Workbook, which is available on Amazon. Look it up under Garifuna Language Workbook.